Aboriginal Africans devised the first knowledge database wrongly equated as a religion, known as the African Information Retrieval System, IFA, IHA, AFA. It's based on a binary system divided into 16 divisions that would be further divided. Despite the later language divergence accentuated by foreign colonists in their ploy to divide and rule, African language and culture are basically the same.
When I discovered that Ifa contains so many things, similar to or different from, then I started studying Ifa text literature. And I discovered that some of the things in Ifa are superior to what I was taught about the West.
Possible to link the numerology in Ifa to the computer, and that it was possible if we got a handle on our civilization.
I would say the best important chapter in the Bible is Revelations 4-6. In it, we have what's the circle of humanity, the horsemen, and how our history, the present and future.
The biblical apocalypse horsemen are 2,000-year era that shaped the world as we know it and to come, but are neither the beginning or the end of human history. The first horseman with a composite bow depicts from around 2000 BC to 0 BC, when Caucasians spread from the Andronovo complex in southern Russia, Central Asia to take over and destroy black empires in the ancient Egypt. Soon, Indus Valley civilization to South China. The second horseman with a longsword depicts from 0 BC to 2000 AD, when religion, tribalism, racism, and other latter-day dogma was used to control humans and their resources. The long sword is the Roman Catholic Sparta and the Islamic Scimitar. The third horseman, with scales of justice, depicts 2000 AD to 4000 AD.
The system on which Western culture is based is binary opposition. I could remember as recently as 2002, Kainis said there is no basis of morality because if I'm a materialist, 256 points is in Ifa. That is what you are using on computer. The computer people know it, that our system of calculating is not literal, it's not linear, it's binary.
So it's possible to link the numerology in Ifa to the computer.
History. People say history repeats itself, but unfortunately, the history we learn is linear. It doesn't show the cycle, so you can't really learn from it. And it's been a problem.